Have you ever wondered why some people achieve remarkable success in certain areas while others struggle to succeed? And why happiness seems to grace some but eludes others? These questions may have various answers based on one's perspective, thoughts, or knowledge. However, Tracy offers a different viewpoint in his book, No Excuses. He believes that self-discipline is the key to success, a magical recipe that unlocks the doors of possibilities and makes them easily accessible. With it, individuals can reach higher levels in a shorter time than their abilities and talents alone would allow. No Excuses. The Power of Self-Discipline. By Tracy. In reality, only a small percentage, around 3%, of people set and write down their goals, or even know what they are. This means that if you have a clear plan to achieve your goals, you'll focus on them and channel all your efforts towards reaching them. Instead of deviating from this clear path, it's crucial to stay on course from start to finish. This is why goal setters consistently achieve what goal doubters can't. To make your desired goals a driving force and prevent them from becoming empty wishes, you need to write them down and refine them. People without goals or those who don't write them down navigate life as if they are aiming at nothing. Setting goals doesn't guarantee success, but it increases the likelihood of success tenfold, which is excellent news for those looking to transform their lives. But how can you easily reach your goals? There are several key strategies, including starting by defining your goal precisely, writing down what you want, setting a deadline for your goals, creating a list of everything you need to do, organizing that list, taking immediate action, and doing something every day. Bit to remember, goals define your path and make the journey to success easier. You might be surprised to learn that your personality didn't just happen by chance. It's the result of a series of decisions and choices you made in the past. Each time you make a specific choice, it shapes your future personality. The better your decisions, the better your personality. Poor choices, on the other hand, negatively impact your personality. A strong personality is characterized by a set of traits and qualities that make you unique. The most important attribute is honesty. Developing a strong personality is not a simple choice. Making the right choices requires willpower and discipline when faced with an easier way out. Maintaining a strong personality also requires a positive attitude and staying away from pessimism, complaining, and whining. Positivity earns you the respect, appreciation, and admiration of others, and it can open doors and lead to greater responsibilities. When you earn the respect of others, everything becomes possible. Bit to remember, cultivating strong personal traits depends on your self-discipline and willpower. A common problem for many people is wasting time without feeling any remorse, or the ability to utilize and invest it effectively. It's essential to remember that time is like perishable goods, which cannot be stored, replaced, or redeemed. Every second, minute, or hour that passes cannot be easily recovered or relived. One fundamental truth is that time cannot be saved, but we can spend it in ways that benefit ourselves, our minds, and our bodies, rather than wasting it on fruitless pursuits. To control time in the best way for you and others, you need to have self-discipline to overcome the habit of procrastination that many of us struggle with. Procrastination is a life thief that makes us postpone everything indefinitely, causing us to miss various life opportunities. To avoid this psychological and intellectual illness, you must prioritize and commit to clear objectives. This will save you energy in your activities, boost your motivation, and help you reach your goals more efficiently without wasting or delaying your time. Bit to remember, mastering time management requires a lot of self-discipline to overcome the harmful habit of procrastination. In our modern world, many people neglect their health and fail to follow its requirements and principles. Each of us should care for our mental health and make it a priority to maintain it as if we will live as long and as well as possible. To achieve this mental health, you should follow a regular eating schedule instead of reducing food intake or overeating, and focus on natural and healthy eating without harmful preservatives. Overeating is a health issue that afflicts contemporary humans, making them feel tired and sluggish, while light meals make you feel agile and fit. In addition to eating, exercise plays a significant role in maintaining physical health. This requires regular physical activity, wearing seatbelts while driving, and giving up harmful habits like smoking and drinking alcohol. You should also be cautious about your weight and strive to avoid becoming overweight, as this is the basis of self-discipline in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Bit to remember, your mental health is linked to self-discipline in eating, exercising, and overall healthy living.